So you're looking for a way to make money online, right? Have you ever thought about selling Doodle videos like this? Now you say it's all good, but how can I do that? What if I told you that you can create any kind of Doodle videos without any experience in minutes and finally start to make money online with? What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what we're going to have a look at in today's video. I'm going to show you where you can sell Doodle videos and how to actually create them in minutes without any previous experience. And if you stick till the end, I have also something very cool for you. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started, as I said, make sure you pay attention, watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information. I'm going to share with you on how you can sell Doodle and actually any kind of animation videos and much more. I'm going to show you how you can easily make these videos without any previous experience. And I'm also going to include a unique bonus package if you're interested in this, for you to make this a no-brainer so you can make money with more than just Doodle videos. Alright. With that being said, let's get started. I'm going to show you first where you can actually sell those. I'm going to do a quick demonstration later on, and at the end you can find it all together with my bonus there. Let's get started. Okay, so by just going to Freelance Sites first thing and type Doodle videos. Okay, let's do it, Doodle videos here. You can quickly see that, look at this, the first one that shows up here, this is around $50 approximately. So if I just open this up here and just play it a little bit.
Hi there, I am Lede. I create engaging video content exclusively on Fiverr.com.
Okay, so this was pretty similar to what I did here in the beginning. Of course, different animations and stuff like that, okay? But pretty similar. So if I scroll down a little bit here, the basic is actually for 720p, 30 seconds whiteboard animation to include royalty-free background music. Now look at this. If we go to 1080p with 60 seconds, this person actually charges $120 here. And the premium is around $180, almost $200 here for a 120 second whiteboard animation. So I hope that you realize that you can make some serious money with this actually, and a lot more. If I scroll down a little bit, you can see that people are actually selling here whiteboard animation for $5, but these are ready-made templates, and this is another option that you can do. You can actually create free ready-made templates and tell when someone purchases it that pick between 1, 2 or 3, and you have them ready-made. So you can have this up in probably less than 2 minutes by just copy and paste the text there and do the rendering, and you are ready to deliver that. So this is another option, of course, that you can make money with it. But by just scrolling down here, you can see that there is a lot of options and opportunities. So I mean, there are no limits on how much you can make here. It's just on Fiverr, okay? I had a quick look here. I just typed the Doodle videos here on Upwork. You can see that there is a lot of people. Here is actually the hourly rate, so you have to go in and bid for the projects here. Another site, freelance site, freelancer.com, is a lot of opportunities. I just typed Doodle video. Look at this, create a Black Friday launch video, $200, and create a short video cartoon to sell a concept, $583. So you just go in here and bid a little bit lower, show them on your expertise there, you just demonstrate some work and you are ready to go, okay? Hopefully you get the job, of course. Let's see what else is there. Here are some more opportunities that hasn't anything to do with Doodle videos, but I'm going to show you at the end that you can actually bid on this project too. Animation videos, 22 here. So these are just showing you freelance sites. Another option that I usually recommend is to actually go to offline businesses and offer them these kind of videos. Most probably, they probably don't have any YouTube channel, so they want you to help them by uploading videos, which means that you can make more money, and they probably want more than just one video, I can guarantee you. So you can make a lot of money actually with go out and visit offline businesses there. So these are just two options. Another option could be, of course, to do Doodle videos for yourself, upload them on YouTube with any kind of niche. I showed you tons of ways and opportunities. You can do this with affiliate marketing, grab a product, create videos like this, upload them and drive traffic to your affiliate link there. So now let's do a demonstration on how we can actually do this in minutes. So basically there is a new launch software that has been launched yesterday actually, and it's called DoodleOS. Okay, I did a review video about it yesterday, so I thought it was a great opportunity actually, so I wanted to share this again for you today here, that you can make some really good money with this. So let's do a quick demonstration. By the way, the demonstration I did at the intro, I did it actually in 10 minutes, I think probably in 10 minutes, without knowing what I was doing there. So let me give you a quick example here. We just create a new scene, we add a doodle here. So now let's see here, let's type money for example. Okay, let's sort this out, and this looks like a good one. Here we can resize it, there you go, for example, and let's add some text. Make easy money with Doodle videos. Okay, here you can change the font, so let's go for something like this for example, and there you go. Now what we need to do is we can do any kind of animation, so it's not only sketch by hand, but let's do sketch by hand here, and let's do the text for text by letter. Okay, there are so many opportunities here, I mean, to do any kind of animation. I don't know what to pick here. Let's go for zoom in left bounce for example. And now we are going to close the canvas and do a scene preview. Okay, so there you have it. Now what we need to do here is we need to change it, because I want the text to come in at the end when we have finished this animation. The duration, it can go a little bit faster. So this is how easy you can do changes with this software. Okay, so now let's do a scene preview again. Okay, so there you have it. I need to adjust it a little bit, but I hope that you realize how easy and fast you can do this. Okay, let's change another one here. Let's do an I'm not sure if this works. Yes, it can. We can do a morph here actually, or why not add let's actually do a scene preview here and see how it looks. Okay, did you see that? How cool is that? So you can do a morph, so it comes from this animation here and goes up and becomes text there. So there are so many opportunities here that you saw how fast it went here. Okay, so I hope that you realize that there are no limits, and if you just follow along with the step-by-step video tutorials that are included with this software, you can be up and running probably in an hour or two actually, if you don't have any previous experience at all, but just following along with the tutorials there. So basically what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to show you real quick the sales page. You can see here you make Doodle videos in 3 simple steps, as it says here. You're going to find a link below, so I'm not going to read through the sales page. I want you to have a look at it because there is a good video here also that demonstrates you how quick and easy you can make videos like this. There are some samples here below that you can have a look at as well, but really there are no limits, okay? And here you see what you are going to get. You're going to get actually 500 Doodle sketch images in both black and white and color. You're going to get background videos, text animation. You can do this with videos actually also, okay? Text animations, 300 fonts, and there is some bonuses there as well. So if I just scroll down here a little bit, here's what's included. And you see here it's only $27. Look at this, you get the commercial license, okay? Unlimited videos. You can export unlimited videos, use or sell to clients, keep 100% of the profits. So there you have it. I mean, what else do you need? Okay, I'm going to give you a bonus, so I want to make this a no-brainer for you to make money online. No excuses if you grab this through my link, of course. So my bonus package is audiovideomastery.com. This is a unique bonus package because it is my own course. I created it and you can't find it anywhere else unless you purchase it from me. And Audio Video Mastery, you can see here, you can create audio and video production like a pro, fast and easy, that converts with results, okay? So if I scroll down a little bit, my background actually comes from audio. I got started together with my team. We have created well over 20,000 plus radio commercials. I've been an entrepreneur for almost 2 decades now, and this is what I've been living on for many, many years. So I definitely do a few things about audio and video. And basically how it all started was that I found a loophole in Camtasia with the audio there, and a twist that you can actually increase and improve the sound, because the sound is 50% of a good production. So I found a way to do it for free, and you can do it in less than 60 seconds. And then I expanded and actually created a full-blown course where I show you, let me show you here. Here are some bonuses actually that you are going to get this also. You're going to get everything that is included here, okay? So this is how it looks in my members area. And what I do is, of course, I show you in step-by-step watch over my shoulder style videos here. But if you pay close attention here, I actually show you on real live examples that are uploaded or playing on YouTube. So instead of showing the features in Camtasia, I show you ready-made results, okay? That's why I also emphasize on that. I show you on results. I give you also tips and tricks about conversions and stuff like that. So there is a lot more here that you are going to learn with Audio Video Mastery. Here's a quick example how you can grab free footage, create a video about weight loss and stuff like that. And in a combination with DoodleOS and this course, you are going to be a pro in making any kind of videos. I can guarantee you that. So you can get started to work on any freelance site or sell offline, as I actually told you earlier here. No doubt about it, okay? So there you have it about DoodleOS and my unique bonus package. You're going to find a link below. So when you purchase, you're going to be redirected to ClickBank, and what you need to do is you need to send an email to me with your ClickBank receipt so I can verify that you have purchased it through my link, and then I'm going to give you access as soon as possible, of course. I mean, if I sleep at 3 a.m. at night, I can't give you access, but as soon as I wake up, I will give you access to my bonus package there. So there you have it. I hope that you realize that this is an investment that you're going to make for yourself, and you can get started to make, I don't know what to say here, unlimited amount of money. Really, I mean, you just have to find a way to sell these kind of videos, any kind of videos actually, or if you want to do them for yourself and upload on YouTube and or wherever you want. Alright, so there you have it on how you can make easily money with selling doodle videos or any kind of videos actually with my bonus package there. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done it already. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online opportunity video here at the end screen. Alright, go ahead now, click the link right here below in the description. Get started to make some Doodle videos and make money with them. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.